Mercury, the Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, all of the planets spinning, manifesting, each an awake cosmic being. Spinning, emanating from this ocean of unbounded mind. Effortlessly, then, we are filled with the vision of our entire solar system. The planets and the sun dancing together, manifesting in this eternal light of consciousness. And beyond our solar system, we behold the vastness of interstellar space. And our mind is filled with that great and infinite domain. And our solar system we see as one amongst billions in our beautiful Milky Way galaxy. And we see the spiral vortex as the Milky Way emerges from being. And the light of the galaxy and the consciousness of the unbounded being are one. And we behold this infinite mind, the silent consciousness within us, in its perfect fullness, diffusing the entire galaxy. And the unbounded cosmic mind manifesting billions of star systems, each with planets, with beings capable of knowing the unbounded self. And receding further into the stretches of boundless intergalactic space, we see galaxies, some shaped as sombrero, some spheres, clusters, beautiful color, infinite form. All is awake. And the deep conscious mind within us and the mind of this infinite being of cosmic mind are one, eternal, inseparable. And now effortlessly, we are filled with the completeness and fullness of the vast cosmos, stretching forever, without end or beginning. And all of this is awake. Pure consciousness manifesting as ourselves, the galaxy, the billions of galaxies, the endlessness, the infinity of space.
I'm Nama, 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 I'm Nama.
In this state of consciousness, we now behold that within the world of time and space, of planets and galaxies, of rocks, and birds, and people, within is shining a light. And within each created thing is a perfect astral light, from which it becomes more solidified, resonating from the finest celestial to the full form of differentiated light. And from that astral intelligent light, the magnetic field, electricity, subatomic particles, the atoms, the molecules, matter, space, time. And within the apple, we see within our mind that astral apple may be manifest as a material one. And from this deep consciousness, we see that all matter, all objects, all that exists is continuously manifested from the unbounded mind through light, resonating, phasing, reverberating as matter and that form and that created thing.
I'm Nama, 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 I'm Nama.
And whatsoever you may perceive, you may see within it any rock, any created object, the light within it that sustains that form, that matter. And in this astral blueprint, piercing the finest level of thought light, of astral, celestial consciousness, behold the perfect tone, a harmonic, resonating. And each thing that exists has within it its own song, its own pure tone, which then manifests the form of the light, and which then gives rise to that thing. Whether it be an apple, or a planet, or our own bodies, selves. And each tone is pure, and each tone is unique. the depths of this silent awareness, we behold that all these tones converge and blend into the most pure thought, the primal thought, emanating from the morn of eternity of the absolute, unbounded being. This pure thought tone is standing within all things. One pure tone. And yet it manifests a component of its existence as the unique tone of the apple, of the earth, of the person. And that thought tone, the pure sound of thought emanating from unbounded consciousness, gathers around it the astral light that creates the astral form of that object, which then manifests as the solid object of space and time, continuously radiating from unbounded mind, pure tone and thought, all knowledge carried with it, and each one having within it the completeness of the cosmos and of the great being. And so it is true that every blade of grass is a doorway to the infinite and great being. And whatsoever you may gaze upon, through that you may enter infinity standing within. And so too you may know the thought and light energy within that object, the reality of things shining together. And as it becomes more fine and more pure, that light becomes one light, the most great light of the Godhead, the station of the Avatar, celestial, golden, pure,